Maxi. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Hi there, Maxi. Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning guys. Good morning ulit. Welcome back to my channel guys. Hello. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Maxi, kasama ko si Maxi. I-check ko yung nilabahan na yung labahin na nilagay sa machine. I-check ko kung okay na siya. Madaming mga langaw ngayon guys kasi maaraw. Oh, how many minutes? Oh, 41 minutes. Okay. May pinalitan ni Mama tong ano. 'Di ba? Pinalitan niya. See? Ay nako. Ito guys, hindi to mag-okay kapag kaano guys, walang butas. So, kailangan kong maglinis. I-fix yung gawa niya. Ano to eh? Plastic kasi to, kaya mabilis natawag nito. Alam mo yun, prone to sa guys, sa apoy kapag hindi na maayos ng maayos. Kaso, ang gusto ni Mama, yung nakaganito. Ayan, check ko lang. Hindi kasi siya makapag-aantay na guys, na ma-fix ba. Ano kasi sila guys, kung ano yung gusto nila, gusto natatapos agad. Diyos ko. Pronto sa guys, ewan ko kung alam ba nila yun. Alam nyo bang, in-explain ko sa kanya. Ang hirap kasi mag-explain guys, kasi hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. Sabi ko sa kanya, nung last time na sabi ko, mabilis masunog to, sabi ko. Sabi niya, dapat maluwag daw yung yung apoy. Kaso talaga guys, kahit anong gawin mong luwag, kung talagang plastic ito, mabilis talaga guys, prone talaga ito sa apoy. Kasi plastic, hindi kagaya yung foil, nakakatanggal lang. Kaso, ayaw nila maniwala. Kaya hinahayaan ko na lang guys. Mahirap naman yung gusto nila sa gusto ko, diba? Mahirap. Nahihirapan ako sa ganun. So, let them be. Ang hirap kapag guys, walang tripod. Hindi ko pwedeng ipakita kasi guys, madumi pa siya. Tignan nyo naman si Max. Wala yung mga in-laws ko guys, kasi nagpa-medical sila, gawa ng diabetic. Every 3 months sila nagpapa-medic guys. Para sa kanilang gamot. Yes, yun ang maganda dito guys. Every 3 months. Last March, April, May, June. Oh, March, April, May, June. Yes, July na ngayon. After 3 months guys. Yung kilay, Tama, 'di ba? Yung kilay ko wala nang ano, guys, wala nang ahit-ahit. Kasi guys, yung binili ko na dalawa na pang-ahit, guys, mapurol yung isa. Kaya pero tiniis ko na lang kaya mabilis mag tubo-tubo man. So, iyon lang. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. Oh, ito yung pangit dito, guys. Yung may mga langaw na pumapasok sa loob. Kahit may mga net. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila dumadaan. Check ko lang yung tsura ko sa salamin. Kung okay pa ba. Kasi against the light. Tapos di kayo kita. Kasi shaky. Maganda sana, no? Ay, alam nyo ba guys, ano na lang, baka pagkatapos ko maligo, tatahiin ko yung, yung botones. Kahapon sana, kaso nakalimutan ko, di ba, nakaano na ako sa laptop. Tapos, nung dumating sila, saka ko lang naalala na may gagawin pala ako. So, see you later again. Update ko kayo. Kung may i-update ako. So, hi guys! Good morning. Yes, good morning. So, magtatahi ako. Andito yung mga gamit. Ouch! Nung nakaraan guys, tinahi ko to. Be careful. Ito guys, tinahi ko yung kortina. Ginawan ko siya ng paglalagyan ng, anong tawag nun? Yung curtain rod. Tinahi ko siya. Tapos ngayon guys, ang sabi ng mga in-laws ko, parang gusto daw nilang bumili ng machine. Tapos dun daw ako mag-train, 'di ba? May balak sila. Sabi ko nung una, parang kailangan ng school. Ang hirap, di ba yun? Kailangan ng mag-school. Ayaw ko lang talaga, guys. Pero, so far, so good. Ngayon, guys, hindi ko alam kung paano ang gagawin ko dito. Paano ko lalagyan ng botones. Muna ako, mag-experiment. Siguro, yes guys, ito oh. ayan guys, yung kakainin ko ngayon lunch. Pinapainit ko tong chicken soup na nilagyan nila ng rice. Yes guys, masarap to guys. Tinola na simple lang. Arroz caldo yan. Joke lang. Pero chicken soup nila yan guys. May kanin. Kain na tayo guys. Hindi na ako kakain ng kanin kasi meron naman siyang rice. Ay, kanin, bread. Kasi meron na siyang rice, di ba? Na doble. Hindi kita. Ang sarap. Tingnan nyo si Maxo. Arroz caldo. Kaya minsan guys, feeling ko nasa Pinas lang ako. Kasi itong chicken soup nila may kanin minsan. Ewan ko guys, parang feeling ko minsan parang alam ko gawin tong mga niluluto nila. Kasi parang feeling ko guys, chef ako. Nung mga ano guys, yung past life ko, chef siguro ako. Ang feeling. Kasi guys, simple lang tong luto nila. Pakuluan lang nila, lagyan lang nila ng condiments na kaunti. Tapos, pag okay na yung karne, pwede nang kainin. Hindi gaya sa atin, ang daming nilalagay. Kain tayo, guys. Kain na rin kayo. Alas 12 na dito. Sarap. Mahilig. Nagbibideo ako, hindi naman pala naka-record. Ano guys, mahilig lang sila maglagay dito ng ano, yung mga, ano ba yun? Spices. Kaya pala hindi na ako makapag-save guys, kasi malapit nang umabot ng 1,000 yung trash. Ano ba yun? Trash bin? Sa, ano? Sa, ano ba? Tawag nun? Trash bin? Ng ano guys, ng cellphone, kaya pala not enough space. Akala ko pag nag-delete lang, ano guys, okay na, pero not enough space pa rin. Kaya chinek ko yung trash bin ng ano, ng cellphone guys, 800 plus na, my gosh, kaya pala ganun na yung nangyayari sa cellphone ko. Tataka ako, nag-delete naman na ako, bakit ano? Grabing reaction, no? Tapos na ako kumain guys. Maliit lang. Mag-diet-dietan muna tayo. Mamaya, pag andyan na sila, baka ano, mamayang hapon na naman, kakain na naman tayo ng marami. No? So, pagpatuloy ko lang yung tinatahi ko, guys, para matapos na. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin dito sa isa, tong kulay pula. So, see you later, guys. Update ko kayo. Ciao.
Nuts.
Bine,
Nuts is some soup.
Mama have
Mama
nuts.
says, yeah, we make also ours because it's gonna. Love, give me from here, please. This one I need.
Guys, good
Oh my
afternoon.
God, that's good.
I'm sorry. Punta kami sa ano guys, gas station. Magbabayad kami ng road tax.
Yeah, I have
Kasi
to search
today is the expiration day.
Yeah. And I need
What do you need?
document. Talo naman siya.
How about
Stamp it.
Tata?
No, Tata made already. Me, I need this time. This is the one. Yes.
Ay,
That's what I'm
naku.
searching.
You're so cute. Hinahanap niya yung ID niya.
You fix on me. This one I need.
What is this? Maybe you can throw away.
But then they don't throw them yet. No, I'm checking. We will check when that is going.
May tutubi! There's a what is that? Dragonfly.
Where is fragrance, by the way? Smell here in the car.
Guys, nalalaglag yung sunglasses kasi walang kalso. Hindi naman mainit dito, guys. Hey, I think this is nice for you.
Yeah, they were mine.
I know, but it's so nice kapag when the sun is in front of you. Guys, ang ganda.
hate this. Look at this house.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano.
Oh, they throw the mayor in the front.
Ayan guys, tapos tignan ninyo guys, diba? Ang ganda ng outcome. Super blue. Diba? Ang cute, diba?
Was football player lang, not everyone.
Guys, may balita ako guys. Yung national football player nila, nagpa-ID daw. Sabi ko, bakit? Tinanong ko kung may picture silang dalawa. Sabi niya, nahihiya daw siya. My shy husband. I told him that next time when he's going to get the ID, guys, he should take a picture with him. No?
Yes.
My husband is concentrating with his driving. What?
Of course I'm focused on this. But you want to be safe, no?
Guys, gumaganda lalo dito sa town nila kasi
They are
sobrang ayos nila, oh. Nakita nyo yon? Ang ganda nandito, maayos na yung parking nila, hindi gaya before na sali-salisi yung mga parking. Are we going straight to Bunica?
Dada.
Go.
We go there because we go
Yeah,
there. I stop on the gas station there.
Okay.
On the road to Punica.
Yeah.
Maybe we're gonna put some gas 100 eh?
Okay.
Maybe.
Oh, yun yung bahay na maganda.
But I still have. It's
Maganda
half.
yung bulak.
It's half of the reservoir full, so it's not needed.
Okay.
I'll just pay the road tax.
Guys, very effective yung Galbinelli na binili
In a week,
namin.
it's already almost healed. In a week.
Yes, very effective talaga yung pampahilom ng sugat, guys. Kaya ito, naghilom na agad. Ngayon sabi ko sa kanya, sinabi ko na guys, yung cactus, may nag-comment kasi doon.
Cactus?
Yes, cactus, we should put katas ng cactus, guys. Katas
But
ng
I'll try. If
tita.
it's not affected at one, I'll try with the, applicable.
Do we have cactus? Wala kasi kaming cactus, guys. Kaya hindi namin alam kung saan kami kukuha. Kaya yung alam muna namin na yung garlic, no?
Garlic is burning the skin, as I observed.
Yeah, it's because you put
But
it too much.
But not on the thing. The thing doesn't have anything.
Yeah, right now you have to do is mash the garlic, put vinegar, and then
Why vinegar?
yes, put it a little bit there, and then
What, I make a salad?
no, it's not that, because vinegar is acid. Diba? Acid kasi. Nabasa ko dun sa guys, sa Google, kay Maring Google, na yung acid daw ay pwede kasi acid. Diba? Ano nga yung guys?
I don't know but I think I'm gonna try, or maybe
Salicylic acid. You know, the salicylic acid is also the one to remove warts.
But this is papilloma called.
Whatever, just try it, okay? Kasi guys, 2 days pa lang niya nilagay. Gusto niya, may guys, may resulta na, nag-dark na, hindi pa niya inantay. It should be continuous until it will get dark and then will Kaso guys, ito kasi gusto may resulta agad, kaya minsan nakakaasar no? I'm annoyed. Gigigil ako sa'yo. Sure.
Oh
So,
my
yun
God,
nga
what is
guys.
with this traffic?
Siguro ang gawin namin yung garlic tsaka vinegar muna. Ibabad yung garlic, no? Marinate the garlic.
I make substance or something.
And then, get a cotton buds. Get a cotton buds and put it like that. Just a little bit deep. Kasi guys, ewan ko sa kanya, ang hirap niya pagsabihan, may ano siya guys, may sarili siyang opinion. Tapos yung opinion naman niya, hindi naman tugma. It's not even, it's not even, what is that? What I'm talking about?
What?
Your opinion is against with what's happening in the world.
Whatever in the world I cannot control. I'm not.
Yes, you only get that, Guys, his opinion is from me. Andito na kami sa gas station.
Yeah.
Dito kami magbabayad. So, chung.
Yeah, here I'm gonna put my car. Sure.
Dito na kami, magpa-park kami kasi magbabayad siya ng road tax.
Yes, to pay the road tax.
No way, are you hungry?
I'm not hungry, Dominic. I seem hungry.
Ang cute niyan, yes.
Which?
Yes, you are.
You can come if you want to stay. You can stay.
I will stay here. Magandang araw ngayon guys kasi hindi masyadong mainit. Ay guys, ano na pala yung tinahi ko, update ko lang. Natapos ko na yung 3 punda tapos chinek ko yung kulay pula na ano pala siya guys, parang pang bedsheet. Kailangan din lagyan ng butones kasi walang zipper kaya butones yung nilalagay ko. So yun na lang yung butas na lang ang gagawin ko. Ilang oras ko ginawa yun, di pa nagsimula ako ng 11. Tapos, nag-start din ako ng 12. 4 hours ko ginawa, guys. Ewan ko kung bakit. Ang tagal ko talaga. Mahinhin talaga ako, guys. Mahinhindutin. He's done na daw. You're done? How much is your road tax? How
I
much?
pay the tax.
Yeah, how much?
139.
Oh, expensive.
I paid it with 4 lei more than last year.
Da?
Okay.
Da?
This is the new
So,
tax.
it's done. New tax? You have new agreement? Ay, what is that?
Yes.
New ano?
Abilitate din.
Ay.
5 a 7 până în 4 7 2024. Perfect. I have it so I can travel wherever I want in my country.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
No more problem na. Maybe
No,
you
this
can...
was the last tax that I had to pay. So, it's all settled. Certificat de ITP-ul. And here I put the tax for this. Technical inspection. Here is the insurance. 14,234.
What will happen if you don't pay road tax?
What is happening? I'm gonna receive fines.
Oh.
So, that's why I'm avoiding to. And it's good for it's a road tax.
Yearly.
Despite how new is the car or how old is
Yearly?
the car. Yeah.
But sa atin guys, parang wala namang road tax.
You don't have in
hindi ko lang
Philippines
alam
already.
kasi wala kaming sasakyan sa Pilipinas. No?
We don't pay some credits in Philippines.
I do not know. How,
Maybe they are.
How would I know if we don't have car? All I know, tax is withholding tax, house tax,
This one tax is like that.
yes, land tax, and then what else? Yung value added tax. Yun yung mga alam kong tax guys, pero dito
Value added
guys.
tax everywhere. Is it?
Yes. Pero yung dito guys, pagdating ko dito, may ganun pala, may road tax pala sila. All citizen or only those who have cars?
This one pay only with the cars, of course.
Oh, maybe we have in Philippines, but I do not know because we don't have car.
And that one is true.
Ang ganda ng binilisan niya guys, ang ganda ng mga sunflower oh. Yaman ni darling ko. Nagpardas na mot nga dirinaiban. Andito na kami kay Bonica, guys. Oh, let's go. What are you doing?
I don't record that. I never don't record it.
No, it's not. I didn't record anything.
Yeah, sure. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Let's go. What are you doing?
No, but it's gonna break this one.
Of course not.
She's got me a breakable one.
Yung vanity nila guys, talong yon. Bonica is there.
And the keys inside the
Maybe she...
green top. Oh, there is not open. No, it's not open.
No.
Maybe she's feeding.
Ano kami guys? Magpunta din pala kami sa... Ito guys oh. May tinapay. Bumili ulit kami ng tinapay. And then, that's happened. Ay! Hey, give this to them.
No, the prawns. This one we put in
That's
our
all.
in your bag.
Ito ay. Hindi namin ito binili guys. Pauwi. Tapos, my muffin. Mahilig siya sa sweet. Ayan.